Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from the Application Engineering. As you know, there are outside many applications where the movement inside the hydraulic cylinder should be measured. Therefore, we have the solution. You can use our MAX device. But beside position and speed, the MAX device offers you also diagnostic data. Let's have a look what are the diagnostics features in detail. We have a power on counter which measures the power cycles of the device. We have also an operation counter which measures the operation time in hours. Furthermore, we can measure the supply voltage. With this you can check if there was a overvoltage applied in the past to the device. And we have the electronic device temperature. This can give you an indication of the oil temperature inside the hydraulic cylinder. Finally, we have the total pistons travel, which measure the traveled distance of the hydraulic cylinder in total. This is the information you get in meters. Perfect. That's the diagnostic data. I think with your ideas and impressions about this data, you can improve your applications. Of course, there is your experience required to do that. But there's also a second question, how we get access to the diagnostic data. And there we have two ways, depending on the interface, if we have an analog interface or if we have a digital interface. Let's have a look at first at the analog interface. Here we need our PGT box, which you can see here, which is connected directly to the hydraulic cylinder and to a PC. Let's switch to the software and have a look what we can do. At first, we check our output signal. If we move the hydraulic cylinder, you can see the position information traveling. In this case, we have a voltage output, therefore a voltage value is displayed. That's the normal values you need to control your operation. But there is the further benefit to switch to the data logger, and here you can see the diagnostic data. With read again, we check it, it's current. There we see the switch on counter, the temperature, the voltage, the total distance travel, in this case 90 meters, and the operation time. Exactly the data we have seen before. It's a quite easy way to check the diagnostic data and the function of an analog device with this small box and this easy software on the PC. But there is the second way, and this is this is at a digital interface. In my case, I use a CANopen version of the MAX device and have connected it to a common PLC and CANopen master. But that's not all. I have also used TDCE, also from SIG, which is a gateway device to communicate my data up into the cloud. Let's have a look at the cloud. Here in the cloud, you see also the position and the speed value, which you can see if I move the magnet. You see this value is traveling up and down. But additional to that, also the diagnostic data is communicated into the cloud. We see the travel distance, it's 18 meters. We see the device temperature, we see the power supply voltage, also the power cycles, in this case 5 cycles, and the operation time. The great point with the cloud is we have the diagnostic data available from all over the world. The only thing is you need internet. You can also use your mobile phone and check the diagnostic data anywhere and anytime over the world. To summarize, this diagnostic data offers a lot of possibilities. I hope this will help you to improve your applications in the field and use the MAX in your applications. Thanks for watching.